Today, we are setting up email authentication properly. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. I will show the exact records to add, how to verify them, and how to monitor the setup after it goes live.
Start inside Klaviyo, not DNS. Klaviyo generates records for the exact sending domain, and those generated values are what you publish. Go to Settings, Domains, then Add Domain. Choose the traffic type, like marketing or transactional, then use the domain that matches your from address. For SPF, the Klaviyo detail is routing. If your DNS host supports delegation, Klaviyo can use dynamic routing with NS records on the sending subdomain. If not, use static routing with CNAME records. Either way, copy the exact values from Klaviyo into DNS and keep the root SPF clean, unless another system actually sends from the root. For DKIM, publish the selector records Klaviyo gives you. Marketing domains often use selectors like KM1 and KM2, but use your actual account values. DKIM is usually the strongest pass signal here because it survives forwarding better than SPF. Now add DMARC. This record is not owned by Klaviyo. It belongs in DNS at _DMARC on the visible from domain. If you are starting fresh, use Suped's DMARC record generator, keep the policy at p=none, and send aggregate reports to Suped so we can monitor what passes, what fails, and when it is safe to move toward enforcement. After DNS has had time to propagate, go back to Klaviyo and run verify records. If something fails, compare the returned DNS value against the value Klaviyo shows. Most failures are wrong host names, DNS hosts appending the root domain, proxied records, or edited selector values. Then, send a real Klaviyo test email into Suped's email tester. DNS checks are useful, but headers are the truth. You want SPF passing on the Klaviyo sending path, DKIM passing with your domain, and DMARC passing for the visible from domain. Once the test email passes, add the domain to Suped monitoring. That keeps Klaviyo, future sending sources, DKIM drift, and DMARC failures visible after the setup is marked verified.
Once authentication is passing, do not stop at the green check. Use Suped to generate the DMARC record, test real messages, and monitor the domain so broken senders turn into alerts.